Hi everyone, I'm Jen of Jenna Crafts. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to show you what I made in February 2024. It's a quick month, but it is leap year, so it's the 29th of February. So, this month I focused a lot on scrap yarn projects because I really had a lot of scrap yarn that I wanted to use, and I was just hyper focusing on using that entire bag of scrap yarn, and I'm glad I did. And I also made a video about what I made with scrap yarn, whether it was complete or not. So if you're interested in watching that video, go in the link in the description below. The sun is going down, so that's why like my face is half sun, half not. So I do apologize about that. I mean, it's just the way the sun is going down on me. So anyway, I wanted to like record with the sun, and you know how that goes, natural lighting, right? So anyway, I'm only going to be showing off the finished projects that I actually enjoyed. The other ones are not finished or I'm unraveling at this time, so I can't really show you. So first one is this hat that I made that I really enjoyed, and I'm going to use this project. I'm going to use this format for my other hats that I'm going to make. So it's just a simple, like, magic ring, just increase like 2 or 3 times, and then boom, keep crocheting like without increasing, and boom, you have a hat. It's pretty warm too, it fits my head perfectly, and I'm without a doubt going to use this format. I love it. And I just chose 2 random colors because it's an experiment, and I don't care what colors I use. So now I also made 2 very large projects when it came to my scrap yarn. I really wanted to make a shawl again. I haven't made one in a long time, so it was definitely overdue. It's been at least a year since I made a shawl, so this is what I came up with. It is a triangle granny shawl. I have a tutorial on how to make it with single strand, link in the description below. I literally just picked 2 random colors that I haven't used in a couple rows and just made it with that. And we have a giant shawl that's super duper warm, but the warmest of them all is actually my blanket that I made. Yes, this is my first blanket that I made for myself. I've made blankets before. I've only made 2 baby blankets, but they weren't for me, were they? But this one is my first like blanket for myself, and I was super excited about it, but I didn't weave in the ends. Maybe I will one day when I'm not lazy, but I love it. It's super cool. It's like super duper cool. It's super warm too, so whenever I'm like laying on the bed, I just use this blanket and it's like super warm. I love it. Double stranding is definitely underrated. I think you should try it one day. I'm not joking. You have to try double strand. It's a little difficult at first because you have 2 strands of yarn and sometimes it can get stuck, but it's definitely more rewarding because you're using more yarn and you want to have less yarn when you end, right? So look at that. The sun is really in my eyes now, so I don't know. It's getting a little hard to record. It's okay. But yeah, I've only completed 3 projects in the month of February. It's a short month, so I'm surprised I even got this much done. This is a lot though. I actually did a lot. Every day I was working on something, and I'm very proud of myself. And I want to make sure from March I have a big project that I'm finishing. And I'm also making little projects as well because it's St. Patrick's Day, so I wanted to make something for my coworkers. Great, my idea. Cool. Oh my god, the string. Oh man, this is actually, oh my god, wait, hold on. There we go. Oh my god, look at that. It fits me perfectly. This fits me absolutely perfectly, even with my hair being up. Love it. I Maybe I should wear it to work tonight because it's been a little bit chilly. I don't know, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!